meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Good afternoon on this Friday. I hope you are well. Okay, we have had some very hot, sticky weather the past few days. It's going to continue into tomorrow, but then we start to see a more unsettled weather pattern shaping up by Sunday into next week. Let's take a look at this weather pattern and what I'm expecting. First of all, we have a chance of rain each day starting Sunday through next Thursday, and that means periods of rain, but not continuous. We'll have plenty of dry time in between. Some days we'll have more rain than others, and there's the potential of strong thunderstorms, and those will produce heavy rain. Forecast models do agree we will have some heavy rain through the next 7 days. The question is, what time exactly is that going to happen and where? But it is going to rain in the coastal bend, and we will see those chances ramping up, especially next Tuesday and Wednesday. Outside right now, though, it's dry and hot. We have 93 at Robstown right now, 95 at Alice, to 89 at the Naval Air Station. The water is warm. It's at 84 degrees at Port Aransas, Packery Channel at 85-degree water this afternoon. Heat indices, they have risen with that high humidity. It's sticky out there, feeling like 107 at Alice to 103 at Corpus Christi and Ingleside, and 104 at the Naval Air Station. The breeze picking up again with 20-mile-an-hour winds now right at the coast, 15 in Corpus Christi. So tonight's going to be very similar to last night. It's going to stay warm tonight. Lows only down to about 78 degrees. We have a slight chance of a shower toward morning, but other than that, just a lot of low clouds and a nice breeze blowing tonight. Tomorrow, the heat cranks up. It starts warm and it ends up in the upper 80s to near 90 in the afternoon. In fact, the heat index tomorrow just going over barely over 100 again for several hours in the afternoon tomorrow. It's still going to be very sticky for your Saturday, and the winds increasing to near 20 by 6 in the evening. So it'll be nice and breezy in the afternoon. At least that'll help cool us down a little, as high temperatures are still above average tomorrow. 89 Corpus Christi, 94 Alice and George West, Beeville hitting 91. The humidity, though, is going to make those feel hotter. And we also have a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm, but I think most of the day's dry tomorrow. Heading to the beach, well, watch for the rip current. We have a low to moderate rip current risk. The water's warm. We have 3 to 4 foot waves expected tomorrow. Morning clouds, then a lot of sunshine at the beaches tomorrow afternoon, but still a few clouds lingering. Now, all is quiet across the state now, but what we're going to be watching over the next couple of days as waves of low pressure aloft move in are complexes of storms, especially those over Mexico, which could actually move east late tomorrow night and again Sunday night. Those could actually affect us. What we have right now is a wave of low pressure aloft, a long wave trough we call it. You see that big dip in the upper level winds out west? As that continues to move in, embedded waves of low pressure will continue to stir up the atmosphere and give us that potential for rain each day. That area of low pressure lingers next week, and with a surface boundary possible by next Tuesday, we could see that being our better chance that we'll see the rain. Forecast models do agree on the fact that we're looking at the potential for some heavy rainfall. This is the next 7 days, and you can see anywhere from 1.5 inches to 3 inches closer to the coast, 3 to 5 possible inland, and that big swath of 3 to 5 expected across much of the central parts of Texas. So that upper level low is going to make an impact. Our better chances of rain Sunday come in the morning, isolated in the afternoon. Then again, Sunday night and Monday morning, we could see a complex of showers and storms moving through. Timing of this is going to be a bit tricky, so I suggest you check latest forecasts in the coming days. There's a look, though. The temperatures do come down a bit, especially by the middle of next week, as we see more numerous showers and thunderstorms by Tuesday and Wednesday. Drew?